Kasi, loading pa ako. Hi, I'm Carrot. Hi, I'm Tomato. And we are the Veggie Squad. Guys, so she haven't changed her name yet because I traded mine yet. And then she's not yet because it has to be in 7
Tomato,
days.
no.
No, no.
I'm a
Hello,
fine no.
sister. No, follow me everywhere. Yeah, everywhere. Oh, hell no.
I hide it from her.
Oh!
I escaped him. Oh my god, I got my first kiss.
Where did you find it?
Oh my god. Is she going to you, girl?
Yeah, she is. I'm going back to the same zone.
Hey! Are you reset?
Let's play, Flinky Things and People. You mean, I want to play this. Oh, not this.
Confess I love all is to say.
Confess your love. You can't confess your love.
Let's play Rainbow Friends.
Okay, wait. Remember that was our old game? That was the OG one?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Look at this cute card.
Yeah, give me girl. I love this.
Ow.
Go, girl.
I'm just still opening that electric bunny stick. Go, girl.
I'm still going to open
It's
it.
gonna be starting. Just wait.
Confess I
Love,
love
I
all.
will be safe.
Oleb, walaan mo kung nasan ako dito sa dalawang to.
Ano na ako dito, Oleb? Later, bro. What? You speak in Tagalog. Oh my God.
Which I am here. Oh, chapter 1? No, I don't like chapter 1.
I want...
Ouch! I cannot pick him.
Okay, I'm joining you right now. Yeah!
Hey, girl,
Wait,
are
where are you at?
Here.
I'm here. I'm the one. I'm here. Emergency. This is that should be. Emergency. Changing. That should be. Emergency.
Okay, now let's join.
Oh no. I don't want to.
We are 15 over 50 now. Okay, no.
Go, come on.
Faster, girl.
I'm already here.
Me too.
I have a nice box, right? I have a Nyan Cat box. It's like a Nyan
How
Cat.
did you get that?
It's on the like shop. Oh. No. Oh, wait, where are you at? Okay, you're right.
Here.
Okay, let me see. Why is everyone likes a real box? Climbing over the pains.
How?
Chapter 2.
I'm dead. I'm the cook.
Then why did you pick chapter 2? Wait, I think
I like chapter 2. I don't like the chapter 1.
because it's a bit easy, but I don't.
Hello, escape, girl.
Oh,
7 players pa tayo.
8 players.
10 players.
Ow.
Bilis na!
Ano ga?
Bilisan nyo!
Yun.
Game fighting agad.
Bro, why did you speak Tagalog?
Skip na!
Bro, why you speaking Tagalog?
Skip faster.
What do I? Faster, lover, you'll be safe. Blasted security measures.
Oh my god, that's me, girl! I'm Tomato.
It's me. What the skibidi toilet in the world? Ow! Mama was like, what did he say?
Monster.
I'm sure it was
That's
your
imagination.
Here, why don't you
I'll help me
find the
those lights.
sauce like
Every theme park has one.
Okay, then I'm going out to find some theme park. Oh no, no, no.
Oh my god, she's getting.
Do not enter. Okay. Oh hell no! I'm done voting. Red don't. Bro!
No!
No! Ah!
They get up now.
This is going
This
to
is
be
going to be fun. No.
No! It's one
Bro, hell not
I'll
fun.
go get the others. No. Don't you dare.
It's not fun though. I'm scared though.
I'm just going to do back. Oh wait. It's not time yet. Bro, you have to be brave. Every squad members is brave, bro.
Where are you, girl?
No! No!
Ano yun, Olive?
Wala tayo nakakuha ng light bulb. Ako hindi pa. Giga was found.
Who's Giga?
I don't know. It might be Giga Chad.
I'm scared though. Ba't nandiyan ka sa loob, kuya? Olive, saan ka nagpunta?
Nandito ako. Lagot, nandito siya.
Oh my god, nandyan sila. Olive, nasan sila? Oh my god, nandyan sila. Oh my god, dahil na. She find me. Try again, girl.
I'm back. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm returned to the lobby.
Yeah, let's just not play this. It's hard.
I want chapter 2. Chapter 1, I mean.
Then why did you pick this? We just try it again. Let's try it again.
Goodbye, girl.
No! Look at what
Look
at what
the
I-
chapter 1.
Look at this. Delivery is now here.
Chapter 1.
Bro, can you like play just this, bro? Bro, can we play Grow a Garden?
Of course.
GAG.
Oops, no. Not Rainbow Friends. It's too hard. Okay, now join. Girl, I'm quadril QI. Girl. I don't know what I am.
How did you get you?
My classmate gave me, but I didn't accept it.
Then why did you get that? Are you lying?
I have won na 10.901 quad QA. Olive.
Wow. Look at my garden, bro. I love it when it's this.
This is my garden, girl.
This is my garden and I have the cooking.
And I have the cooking. And I got the cake. I got the cake, girl.
What?
Yes, where are you, girl?
I'm here on this other garden thing. So I'm just going to come back to me. To my garden.
Girl, can I have some fruit cake?
Oh, I don't have that much good food. Like, look.
What's your phone?
That's all
Excuse me.
That's my one. No, you can just. You already got a good one, bro. You have good ones.
No, but I don't have good ones.
Then I'm just going to look on your garden.
But my garden was ugly.
I don't think so. I'm looking on every garden right now.
Oh my god, this is chop. Oh my god.
This is the chili.
Sig-shop.
Bro!
Oh, bro, I na. I'm gonna just buy this bamboo.
You already got this. Bro, you already have a green petal, green apple. That's it.
That's it. That's it, what?
That's already. Bro. Give me back my body back, Jandel. I'm still going to decorate this, bro.
Oh my god, there's no stock.
Take the L.
There is a stock now.
There is no stock, I didn't said.
But I'm not talking to you, girl. I'm talking to Jandel. I don't think Jandel is even here.
Are you blind? Jandel is not here. Can't you see? Oh my god, it looks good.
Yan, give me some food.
No.
Just Romanesco. I don't have
No.
Romanesco.
You said you have one.
No, but I don't have. It's my main account only.
No, that's in your main account. This is your
It's
main
my other account only.
That's your main account.
Yeah, that's my main account. I'm not playing him now. Give me some more.
Just one, okay? Don't sell it.
Okay.
Because you might get another one and still going to feed my pets. I'm just going. And then another one. I'm gonna give you another one, golden egg. That is not even. Bro.
Hello, mango, carrots.
Carotini bringing.
Carrot.
You're welcome, tomato stick.
Mama. See how much is this worth?
Oh my god, I'm just going to be up here.
One,
on
two.
the
Just
sofa.
two.
You said you can get.
Just two. Oh, that's okay, bro.
Bro.
1, 2, 3. Oh my god.
What?
11,000 shekels.
Wow.
Wow.
Good job, my golden goose. Good job.
Thank you.
I'm still going to do some.
This is my. I don't know.
I'm just going to buy some seeds.
Oh my god, I have the best friend, dog Olive.
What?
I have the best friend.
Oh, I also do have. Why is this one?
I don't like the clay mutation.
Yeah, because it's like
Looks
a
like
del pop. Yeah, true.
I don't like it.
Yeah, me too.
Because I don't like that.
Oh, what is this again? Bamboo.
It's only bamboo available.
Bro!
Bamboo only.
Bro! I got 52 bamboo seeds.
What?
I have 52 bamboo seeds. Look, I have 52 bamboo seeds. Wow. Wow, why do I have so much?
I have 40 bamboos.
I have 48 bamboos. Oh, I swear I found the golden one. See? Oh my god, right there. It's right here! And then we add another.
Let's tour our gardens. So first thing we have is the cooking kit. And I have the unhatched egg. I got the black bunny, guys.
This is my other friend named Karuto. That's why we are.
And we have, oh my god, I got deer, but I don't like deers. Is it from 99
Bro.
Nights in the Forest, bro?
What?
I'm not in 99 Nights in the Forest.
Does it look like 99 Nights in the Forest, girl?
So, I have the cooking set and I got corns and tomato and apples and cactus and
Kaktorito po tamo.
and banana
Cocofanto
and
elefanto.
coconut.
Cocofanto elefanto.
I
I'm
have
just
the
going
bigger tray of my
I wanna change
coconut. Laki olive yung. Look at my coconut tray. Is it so big?
No, the thing that button.
But it's big too. Oh
I'm
my god,
just,
was stuck.
that's 8 bro.
Oh my god, I got yung...
Watermelon, ni.
I don't need watermelons.
Then why did you buy that? Oh, but
What's that?
that's 8 bro. I
Bro.
saw her there. You want some carrot, Tini Brini?
No, I don't like carrot. I'm not carrot. I only get tomato.
Okay, then I'm going to... Wow!
I am tomato because I choose tomato and I am tomato.
Wow!
My avatar is only... Go to the shell
What?
shop. Go to the shell shop.
Bro!
I'm over here at the shell shop.
Bro, just give me carrot.
But I didn't accept your carrot, girl.
Oh wait, I still have my carrot. Wait. I carrot. And we are
Wow.
the veggie squad.
Ano go?
Last mo squad kami.
Di mo sa squad kami, gusto mo sumali?
Veggie squad.
Veggie squad.
Ako ay carrot.
Ako ay tomato.
Nagre-record kami.
Eh, girl, huwag ka naman sumit-sit doon. Ay, sino ko yun?
Sino nga karatinan natin? Patry.
Ako sinunod sa'yo kanina.
Oo.
O, lumabas ulit ako. Pinunta ko si Jimsy.
Ano ako carrot? Hello.
Ako tomato.
Ako garden ko.
Sa'yo yan?
Oo. Oo.
Carrot.
Ano, ito.
Carrot ay si Olive ang carrot.
Ito garden ko.
Ano si Jimsy?
May fountain ako dito. Yan.
First wheel, I need corns. Ang corn.
Kuy, huwag niyo yung paglaruan. Yung helmet.
Corn.
Ano? Kuy, pag yun nahulog. Bakit?
Tapos bamboo.
Tapos, dito ako magparang nanonood ng TV. You want some poised Seidon plant?
Yeah.
I'm going to your garden.
Okay.
Hello? It's me.
Diba, agenda ako kanina nag-video. Ay, natikman ko.
There you go.
Wow, ang bilis.
I don't have a pet. So I'm going to put some. I'm going to put sushi bear.
Wow, I have bamboo. I need you.
No, not this.
Daffodil. Daffodil.
Taki, Gara. Thank you. Hello, kapibara ko.
Yung Poseidon plant.
Polar bear.
Saan?
Tatlo pa pala yun.
Oh my God. 10.901 QA. Yung sa magkano na yung pera mo sa Grow Garden? 10, ako 10.901 QA.
Bukas na birthday ko.
Ano gusto nyo? K-pop, happy birthday, K-pop Demon or Grow a Garden?
K-pop demon.
Hindi ka kasali.
K-pop demon ako.
Hindi ka kasali.
Ano?
Gagawa ko. Kung ikaw ay kasali, sino bibigay mo?
Ako? K-pop demon naman ko.
Sabi ko nila naglalakad sa stage. Lakad ko no?
Ano?
Sang stage.
May kasama ko ba eh?
Ay, kaklase ko yun, te.
Doon sa main school.
Kunagan ko.
Hindi no?
Hindi mo talaga kita. Wala talagang babae doon. lalaki doon. Walang lalaki doon. James, wala talaga lalaki doon. Doon.
Sabi mo puro lalaki.
Walang...
Sabi mo walang lalaki. Walang babae.
Ang pangalan ko ng papa ko ay... Lan.
Ano nga?
Yan. God stinker. Karne ko.
ulam eh.
Badong.
Kadong.
Pwede ka dyan?
Wala na sila pwede dyan. Wala na dyan sila pwede.
Kaya nga pala nakalimutan ko lagyan ng parang Friday pan. Nalagay akong sprinkler. Karene.
Pag na sinabi mo yung pangalan ng tatay, hindi ko na nilibre yung isa dyan.
Pakita mo ang Pakita mo ang pigma.
Siyempre nasa bag ko.
Wala na mo. Asa ka pa
Hindi ka pa naniniwala, palagi nga ako sa nilibre.
Ako dito maluluto.
Ano? Une.
Une.
Godless sprinkler.
Une.
Karne one.
Karne, one.
Karne ole.
Ay, olive na karne.
Ading karne.
Kasi yun eh, Kayla, may klase dito ang olive.
Ano?
Ang
Karne adli.
parang ang baby po siya. Ang ikli ng buhok niya tapos kulot. Ang klase ni Kayla.
Nakita ko kay Teacher Ron.
Oo, no?
Ito na naman.
Ay, kaklase ni Kayla. Ay, ito ha. Sabi ni Juicy, matanda ka.
Matanda ka? Wala
Ito.
ka sinasabi.
Alis.
Alis, hindi ka naalis. Hindi ko ililibre yung isa to.
Sino ba?
Pag nasagot pag sinabi sa akin yung pangalan ni yung kanyang tatay, yung isa dyan, hindi ko na ililibre.
Bakit?
Si Kamanoy-noy.
Pero
Bakit nga?
nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng tatay niya.
Bakit?
Si Kamanoy-noy.
Para pag nag-birthday siya sa sabihin ko, happy birthday po ba yung pangalan niya? Kala kasi.
November 20 pa.
Oo, bilis mo.
K-A-N-O.
Ay, alam ko, di kailan. Huwag mo sasabihin.
K-A-N-O.
Sabi ko, alam ko.
K-A-N-O.
Ay, huwag mo sasabihin, Olive.
Kano?
Ang dali naman eh.
Kano?
Dahil ka pa ni Lodlin eh. Hindi mo pa rin Lodlin eh. Ay, mama ko.
Ay, alam ko yan.
Isa?
Ate Lilibet.
Sila isa yun.
Hindi pala.
Alam ko kung anong pangalan mo. Ate Jem, ang papa mo, at saka si Kuya.
Hindi mo ba? Kuya?
Hindi!
Kuya ano?
Oo, tito.
Ang tatawag mo nga dun, tito. Gito.
Ano yung tito mo?
Tito ko yun.
Wow. Ate, ano?
Ako.
Kung bakit sa kayo sabihin ko pa ng papa ko. Ay,
Hoy,
Pero
Ben.
hindi mo
Ben,
ililibre.
alam mo kung bakit ganito
Pero
yung,
hindi ililibre mo.
yung sugar apple ko?
Ay, sino hindi
Purple.
ba?
Bakit? Ripe. Hilaw pa.
Sorry.
Bakit?
Nasusunod ka na lang.
Puro stock na eh.
Full stop?
Hindi,
Ay,
nagre-reset.
ng stock doon, di ka James eh.
Nagre-reset lang yung pang...
Bumbo pa. Puro bambu na eh.
Puro bambu na eh.
Loko, puro bambu na olive eh.
Ano? Ano na?
Kahapon naglalaro si Adlin ng bloke. Sabi ni Adlin, tara ulit yan, maglalaro tayo. Sabi ni Olive. Wala na tayong time.
Ako! Kasi may parang timer ako dito sa tablet ko.
Namamatay na siya kapag wala na tayo.
Hindi. Nagiging parang mga gray mga to. Tapos, pag pinindot ko, na parang nawawala siya talaga.
Anong time na
Di
kayo?
ba bawal ka sa malansa?
Pwede na.
Dahil wala nang higit mo.
Anong time nyo na?
Ewan, pang 3 hours lang ako. Ay! Yay!
Tagal naman yun.
I-fit ko nga kay Paula Rubel.
Ay, 10 minutes lang. Wala ka. Ano lang ako? Pagka 1 minute lang ako. Paano na ba? Bago tulog na agad. Kapag 1 minute agad.
Ano naman nag-stock yun?
Tulog. Gabi na.
Pwede ko yung walang pasok.
Ba yan?
May naulit ko nagkapasok. Bukas may pasok kayo?
Huwag daw pumasok yung mga hindi kasali sa yung hindi daw kasali sa araw.
Oo nga. Oo nga. Oo nga.
Yan! Hindi nagutom mga pets ko. Kumuha niyo din magutomin.
Ay! Adlin, kung paglalabali kayo, sino kayo mananalo?
Nino?
Si Jose o ikaw? Tungkol ka namin si Adlin.
Baka kapag
Gusto ko na magbakasyon. Alam lang bakit?
Bakit?
Uwi daw si Chloe.
Oo nga, malapit na nga. Kakainin niya doon ng mama niyo.
asa pa? Ano pa yun? 2007 pa yun uwi.
Sabi sa amin, PJ, sa bakasyon na daw yung uwi. Ay, kapatid niya ka. O, ano yun niya?
So,
Tanong mo kay PJ.
Ayo.
ano pa kayo? May juicy kaming apat.
Yun na.
Mama ni Chloe, si PJ, si Chloe, at ako.
O, ito alam mo ni PJ.
Alam? Ay, 2015 pa daw siya.
Ano yun, hindi ka... 2015?
Ay,
For papalapits ko. Ano to, 27?
Sa 27 ko uwi yun. Tanong mo pa kay mama. Tatanong ko.
Tatanong ko kay PJ. Ay, kapatid naman yun.
Kapatid,
Kapatid
ang
din ni
puno.
Chloe.
Ampon?
Ni Chloe? Sino ang daw? Si Chloe, si PJ.
Wala. Ang ampon doon sa dalawa. Ay, wala. Yung isa doon, pinanganak sa kalabaw.
Dalawang aking crab. Sino?
Si Ate Jade. Ano?
Guys, it's just my Filipino friends. Don't buy the please.
Sabi ni Nina. Umiyak.
Bombardino, crocodilo, leoniro, galubiro, trinero, trinicinabalo.
Si Cinnamon? Bakit
Wala atong koroni ko. Sabi ko koroni.
Bakit kulit na po yun?
Doon yung ticket mo.
July po. Ano to? Pilipino.
Ulit!
Ano? Ulit, bakit mo yung ginamit?
Alin?
Ayan.
Ano sa'yo na?
Bakit mo ginamit?
Alin? Apa mo?
Bakit tablet? Bakit mo ginamit?
Ay ginagamit ko din.
Over 15.
Ha? 15 over 15? Ano to? GMRT.
Mat.
Ano ko kay Zoe?
Ano?
Zil!
Okay ka.
Ano to? Ano to?
Reading language.
Reading and language.
Language, tama.
Oh, pagkabansa. Singo.
Galing.
Di tama to. May mga test paper ako dito. Hindi pala dito sa Lumalia.
September 15.
Nakakababak ko na. Ano? Wala.
Ano, isa lang ang mali niya dito.
Akin may dalawa. Hindi walang dito.
Uy, dito, walang mali. Ay, tatlong mali. Walang mali. Ay, tatlong mali.
Tatlo.
Dalawa.
Ano pa? Wala na? Bakit nandito mga po? Ito,
Karker-kur.
Ara ka naman sa Alam, gusto ko makuha to.
Ako rin.
Itong bago. Gusto ko makuha yung parang owl na yun.
Alin?
Dito sa premium Paul egg. Oo, gusto ko yung owl. Tama kung saan ko nilagay, Jimsy. Yung yung clip.
Ano?
Gusto ko alin to. Dinecorate ko. Atong 10% na to.
May golden ghost na ako.
Ako din. Papakita ko sa'yo. Binigyan pa nga ako ni Olin ng egg. Wow.
Read the language.
Tama oh. Oh, may golden goose ako. May golden goose ako oh.
Mas malaki pa akin. Huge pa.
Nilagay mo ito sa pet mutation, di ba?
Hindi. Iba yan.
Alin, nawala
Ay,
yun.
paper.
Alis! Tara, bini-binihan ulit.
Bini.
Ako bini, Mika.